Welcome back to another video. Today's gonna be something different. It's not gonna be a tutorial. Just want to go over what gear I use. So obviously start off with the camera that I am using is the Canon R5 with a 15-35. That's what I'm filming on right now. So I love this camera. I had this R5 since launch. So since 2020 I had it for 6 years and I still don't have a reason to really upgrade it to a Mark II. This thing's a beast for photos, videos, everything. Yeah, I love this camera. Maybe when there's a Mark III, I'll consider upgrading. But for right now, I think this camera is just like, it was future proof. So I've been holding up to everything I needed to do, video, photo work. I haven't had no issues. I also do have a 50mm, the 1.2 that I use mostly for photo work. Not really video that much, but I should probably use it as well for that. I just haven't really gone around to using it for that kind of work. Mostly photo. It's great for photos, obviously. The second camera that I do have is gonna be right here, the Fuji X100VI. This thing is dope. I really enjoy it just because of film simulation. I haven't really got around to like mess with the video part of it. Like I haven't shot no videos with it. It's just mostly all photos that I've done. I really enjoy the film simulation. Just like it's cheaper than shooting Portra 400. You know how film can get really expensive. So I like to do that, or like the CineStill simulation, and just go out and shoot either at night for CineStill or a day after I use Portra. This camera is like small, compact, so you carry anywhere you want. Doesn't really take up much space, and I don't really have to carry a backpack when I have it. Compared to my R5, I usually feel like I have to put it in my backpack because I just don't want big camera just hanging on my neck. And this one is so tiny, it doesn't really matter, like just hang it, it's tiny. My third camera though that I do have is gonna be right here, the Yashica T5. This is a recent pickup. I haven't really gotten around to use it too much. I haven't even shot my first roll on it. I'm barely like picture 6, so you can see in there. Probably not, but yeah. I do want to shoot more on this. I got some Portra 400 in there. This thing focuses, so you can see that. Got some Portra 400 in there, so hopefully I get around and shoot some more. I do want to actually post more about my photography on here on this channel. So I'm gonna start mixing that up with my video tutorials on Final Cut Pro. So I'm hoping that's something you guys will enjoy watching as well. Lately I kind of feel like I've been lagging on my photography, so I kind of want to just get that passion, you know, fall back in love with photography. So I'm hoping shoot more film. Hopefully that helps. You know, just maybe a little bit of travel, you know, just doing different things. Just shooting, you know, different subjects, landscapes. I want to shoot some cars on film, which I really haven't done, so I'm hoping I get a chance to do that. So now let's move forward to the gear that I don't have anymore. So I ended up selling 2 of my cameras. So before I did have like 5 cameras in my bag, which was just completely, I think it's overwhelming, just because why do I need 5 cameras, right? Obviously they all serve their purpose, but at the end of the day I was still grabbing my R5 for video. The other 2 cameras I did sell was the DJI Osmo Pocket 3. I mean, don't get me wrong, that was not a bad camera. That camera was like so dope. I really enjoyed the time that I had it, but I didn't get much use out of it because when I needed something filmed, I just wanted to film it at the highest quality that I could, and that thing being so small, the image was good, but it just does not compare to like a professional camera in my opinion. Obviously, like that's all subjective, right? But for me, I feel like I'd rather shoot on my R5. The other camera was the GoPro. The GoPro, honestly, like I got no use out of it. Like I don't really do no sports, no action-packed stuff, you know? So I didn't really feel the need for it. I ended up selling both cameras. So for now, those are 3 cameras I'm gonna be rolling with. Let me know what you think. Do you think that's still too many cameras? Obviously I want to be as minimal as possible, and 3 I still feels a little bit overkill, but I just really love the Fuji X100VI, and that was probably the next camera that I will give up, because the R5 does everything for me, video and photo, and I'll just probably keep a film. That's the only thing that the R5 can't replace, is the film, right? You obviously need a film camera if you can shoot film. Hopefully that video was helpful and it showed you what gear I do use. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what gear you're shooting on, and let me know if you think 3 cameras is still too much. What's your dream camera setup? And I'll see you on the next video.